In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use resource management in Monday.com fast and easy. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to streamline your workflow, these steps will help you manage your tasks and resources efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to the Workload View. This view is your command center for resource management, giving you a comprehensive overview of who's working on what and when. It provides a visual representation of your team's tasks, allowing you to manage workloads seamlessly. To switch to Workload View, go to your board, click on the Views option at the top, and select Workload. This setup makes it easy to see how tasks are distributed across your team. And it helps you spot any potential bottlenecks or gaps in your planning. Next, let's talk about assigning people to tasks with specific dates. This is crucial for ensuring that everyone knows what they're responsible for and when it's due. To assign a task, just click on the task, navigate to the People column, and select the team member responsible. Don't forget to add a start and end date. This gives clarity and structure, which is essential for maintaining momentum and meeting deadlines. With clear assignments and timeframes, your team is more likely to stay on track and avoid any last-minute rushes. As you've assigned tasks, it's important to adjust workloads to avoid overloading your team members. This step is where workload management shines. Within the Workload View, you'll notice a color-coded system that visually represents task load. If someone is over their capacity, their bar will appear red, signaling a need to redistribute their tasks. This visual cue is your friend, as it highlights areas needing adjustment. Take the time to reassign tasks if needed, ensuring that nobody is overwhelmed and everyone can work comfortably within their capacity. Finally, use the data from the Workload View to balance your team's resources effectively. Analyze the information available, task durations, assigned responsibilities, and overall team capacity. This view should guide your adjustments, allowing you to preemptively address issues and optimize productivity. A balanced workload leads to a happier team and better project outcomes. By leveraging the insights from the Workload View, you can strategically assign tasks based on who's available and ready to take on more work. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering resource management in Monday.com. Remember, the key to success here is regular monitoring and adjustments based on your team's evolving needs and workloads. The more familiar you become with these features, the smoother your project management will be. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.